Hello, greeting to you all. My name is A.Malik and I am from CSE Department D section, and I am here to display my complex engineering problem on the subject of mathematics for computing, and my topic name is going to be counting principles in cloud allocation. Let's begin. Counting principles in cloud allocation. This consists of your introduction to the counting mechanism used in cloud resource allocation. Understanding how computing resources are quantified, measured, and assigned. Goal is going to be ensure fair usage, efficiency, and scalability in cloud environments. The motivation behind it is going to be cloud resources are shared among many users. Accurate counting and measurement are critical for performance and billing. Ensure fair allocation, load balancing, and cost transparency. Counting principles form the foundation of cloud resource management. What is cloud allocation? What is cloud allocation? Basically, cloud allocation means assigning computing resource like CPU, memory, storage, or bandwidth. The goal behind it is going to be allocate resources dynamically based on demand and policy. Counting principles define how many and which resources are assigned. Ensure balance between efficiency and availability. The role of counting in cloud systems. Every allocation decision depends on accurate counting of available and used resources. Supports load balancing, cost estimation, performance monitoring, prevents overallocation and resource starvation. Fundamental counting principles. Basis of combinatorial logic used in cloud scheduling decisions. States that if there are m ways to do one task and n ways to do another, there are going to be m into n ways to do both. Applied in cloud environment to estimate resource distribution combination. Help determine possible allocation outcomes efficiently. Counting resource in cloud environment. Types of resources to count. Virtual CPUs. This can be listed in the short form as vCPUs. Memory unit GBs of RAM. Storage blocks or volumes. Network bandwidth and I/O operations. Counting ensures quantifiable tracking of what is consumed and what remains. Allocation metrics and units. cloud providers define allocation unit, for example, vCPU hours GB per month. Accurate counting requires consistent measurement unit, for example, AWS EC2, which instance hours, Azure core seconds, Google Cloud's vCPU, and GB memory per seconds. Ensure uniform billing and performance scaling. Counting for fairness and efficiency. Counting principles maintain fair access to shared infrastructure, allocate resources according to priority policies, workload size, service level agreements, prevent resource monopolization by a single tenant. Counting and scheduling. Counting determines how many resources can be scheduled simultaneously, used in job queue management, auto-scaling decision, container orchestration, example, Kubernetes. Accurate counts is equal to efficient scheduling and reduced idle time. Counting in multi-tenant clouds. Multiple tenants share the same infrastructure. Counting helps maintain isolation and quota enforcement. Enables per tenant tracking of CPU time, network throughput, storage usage. Form the basis for fair usage and performance assurance. Challenges in cloud counting. Dynamic scaling causes rapid resources fluctuation. Virtualization blurs boundaries between physical and logical unit. Counting in distributed system requires synchronization and consistency. Inaccurate counting can lead to overcharging or under-provisioning. Technique for efficient counting. Token-based counting. Allocate and revoke token representation resources. Quota system. Pre-assign limits to each user or project. Monitoring agency. Continuously count active and idle resources. Distributed counters. Maintain synchronization count across clusters. Emerging trends in cloud counting. AI-based predictive counting. Forecast future demands using machine learning. Serverless models. Count based on functions, invocation, and duration. Edge computing. Decentralized counting near data sources. Blockchain-based auditing. Ensure tamper-proof count verification. Summary and conclusion is going to be: count principles enable accurate measurement and allocation in the cloud, supports fairness, performance optimization, and cost control, evolving from static resource tracking to dynamic AI-driven systems, fundamental for sustainable and scalable cloud infrastructure management. Thank you.